another tip for the rainy days. As soon as you get home, you know, before you take anything else, get like a wet cloth and a wet tissue, something, and take all the dirt out. Yes, it gets very dirty when it rains because there's a lot of dirt in the floor, and when you pass through, the water, you know, throws up here. So the quick tip today is clean your bike when you ride in the rain, right? As soon as you get home. Don't let, you know, get here and just and take everything out. What happens is it will get dry and it will be harder to take the dirt out. So as soon as you get home, get a tissue, a cloth, anything, and look, it does get dirty. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Hope you like it. It's always a quick tip. I love these quick tips because it's a chance for me to share with you little things that, you know, will be lost in a big video. And I don't know, I think it's useful. But if you did like it, thumbs up. And right after this video will be a wonderful video for you to watch, a great playlist, and me writing. That's where you're gonna click to subscribe. Yes, because then, oh, and don't forget, when you subscribe, click on the little bell, because the only way that YouTube tell you the quick tips is when you click the little bell and say all. Hope you like it. And I'm gonna clean my bike, you know, because it's very dirty and I like clean bikes. See ya. See ya, bye-bye.